Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas Sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is The Virtue of Consistency. कंसिस्टेंसी का यहाँ पे मीनिंग क्या होता है कि लगातार कंटिन्यू जो भी हम काम करते हैं ना, ये आर्टिकल आपका वैक्सीनेशन को लेकर है। जो इंडिया में हर डेली की डेली जो वैक्सीन है लगातार कंटिन्यू हम कितना वैक्सीनेट कर रहे हैं। देखो हेडिंग में क्या है, इंडिया का जो फोकस है मस्ट बी ऑन वैक्सीनेटिंग ए लार्ज नंबर एवरी डे। जो हर रोज़ का जो फोकस होना चाहिए मतलब वैक्सीन पे होना चाहिए कि उसको लार्ज नंबर में हम इसको लगा सकें। ओके, एंड नॉट रिकॉर्ड हाई, रिकॉर्ड पे फोकस नहीं होना चाहिए। चलिए हम शुरुआत करते हैं अपनी 100 वर्ड पर मिनट की डिक्टेशन। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। ऑन अगस्त 27 फ्राइडे इंडिया सेट ए न्यू रिकॉर्ड फॉर ए सिंगल days vaccination, 10.7 million doses, up from 8.3 million vaccinations on the previous 2 days and over 6.3 million doses on August 23-24. However, on Saturday, the numbers dropped sharply to 7.9 million. 3.4 million doses were administered on August 29. But Sundays have always registered low numbers. A similar pattern was seen on June 21, 8.7 million doses on a single day, which dropped to 5.8 million the next day and remained nearly stable at over 6 million for a week. The number of doses administered fell to 3 million 4 million doses in the first half of July. The June 21 record appeared more to coincide with the day when the revised COVID-19 vaccination strategy came into effect. The government procured 75% of the vaccines produced and supplied them to states for free. Though the record on August 27 does not coincide with any occasion, it does suggest that the intent was more to achieve a momentous feat of crossing the 10 million mark. The steep fall in vaccinations the very next day gives rise to skepticism. During the pandemic, the focus should not be on setting records, but on consistently vaccinating a large number of people daily and ensuring that vaccines are available at all centers. Everyday uncertainty in vaccine availability does not help in increasing uptake, especially among the poor. With vaccination being a safe and sure way to drastically cut the risk of hospitalization due to severe COVID-19 disease and death, efforts should be to quickly and consistently vaccinate large numbers each day. For this, equitable and irregular supply of a large number of doses to all states is needed. One sure way to increase the number of daily doses is when the government procures 100% of vaccines produced with no separate allocation to private hospitals. Precious time and doses were wasted between May and July 15 when private hospitals utilized only 7%, 9% of vaccines produced against an allotment of 25%. The government has belatedly revised the June 7 policy such that manufacturers will not set aside 25% of vaccines produced for private hospitals, but instead supply as per demand and allot the remaining to the government. If the rationale for allowing the manufacturers to sell vaccines to private hospitals at a higher price was to fund vaccine research. A small uptake by the private hospitals does not meet that objective. Hence, the government should procure all the vaccines produced, as this will help in better vaccine allotment to states, reduce vaccine inequity, and increase uptake. And states can plan daily vaccination strategies in a more organized manner. Full stop.